Here is the Toyota Highlander and the bulb is right over there. To access the bulb, we have to open up the hatch. Let's go ahead, open up the hatch, and now we need to get this access panel off. And for that, there's a small slot right over here in the corner. You can either use a small flathead screwdriver like this, or press this button on the key fob, get the physical key out, and put it right there in that slot, push it in, and then use it like a lever to pry this cover off. Once it comes off a little bit, just go along the edge of the entire cover. There are a total of 6 clips which are holding this cover in place. So be patient, it's going to take you a few seconds before it just pops right out. So let's go ahead, go along the edge, and it's off. See 6 clips, 2 black ones and 4 these yellow ones. That's the bulb holder, just grab it and twist it left and out it comes. Now to get the bulb off, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and then pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb number is 921. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Let's go ahead, get the new bulb, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder to secure it and put it back into the light. Now when you do so, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in like this and sits in flush. And then twist your right and you're done. Now put these 2 clips in first, just get it in position and then press the rest of it, and that is good. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.